kind, living in a different world. Memories of a broken time, echoes in the universe. I will never let you down. Ready for the final round. Turn the system in reverse, moving at the speed of sound. Fires are burning tonight. Anti-heroes of the world. This is when we come alive. Anti-heroes of the world.
जब भी मैं सिक्योरिटी पे था बहुत लोगों ने मुझे क्रिटिसाइज़ भी किया कि लाइक वाई वी आर नॉट अलाउड एंड ऑल स्टफ, बट फैकल्टीज़ भी इन्वॉल्व हुए कुछ कुछ जगहों पे, बट मैंने उनमें इंटरनेट नहीं किया बिकॉज जो थिंग इलीगल है वो इलीगल है, मैं उसे परमिट नहीं कर सकता हूँ। एंड लाइक सिक्योरिटी हेड होने की वजह से मुझे कूल एंड काम रहना बहुत ज़रूरी था, इसलिए क्योंकि अगर कूल एंड काम नहीं रहता तो थिंग्स यहाँ पे मैसअप होते थे और फिर अंदर फेस्ट ठीक से नहीं चलता। सो थैंक यू।
Or make you feel that your day is incomplete without it?
I miss the core meets the most. The core meets used to last for like 2-3 hours, 3 hours. But those were the highlights of Spectrum days.
I would say being a marketing head was more of a responsibility because I had the, Mulund College of Commerce's future in my hand, because I was dealing with the volunteers, I was dealing with their futures as well. I was shaping their future, I was shaping their personality. I was teaching them how to talk, how to speak, how to be well mannered, etc. Yeah, it was an authority to some extent, but it was more of a responsibility.
जब मैं कॉलेज में पैर जब रखता था तो सुबह फेस्ट के पहले यहाँ आके शील्ड का दर्शन करता था, उसके बाद इधर बैठ के मेरा पूरा काम करता था। जो भी कर रहे हो अपने लाइफ में, अपने फेस्ट में, बट वो चीज़ को सीखो और वो कैसे होता है वो देखो, प्लान करो, उसको एग्जीक्यूट करो। मुझे मेरे सीनियर ने सिखाया है कि 2 पैसे कम कमाना पर 2 आदमी ज़्यादा कमाना।
My advice to the volunteers next year would be plan, work accordingly, and try not actually to achieve your target but complete your work.
Spectrum comes with more of responsibility and legacy throughout this year. They had maintained through the creativity department. I think I have achieved it. You can see the work and creating a legacy for throughout this years, and all the best for coming volunteers.
स्पेक्ट्रम के लिए एक वर्ड मतलब स्पेक्ट्रम मेरे लिए फैमिली जैसा है। 3 साल जो मैंने अपना स्पेक्ट्रम फेस्ट किया है उसमें मैंने बहुत सारे दोस्त कमाए हैं और अभी वो मेरे लिए फैमिली जैसा है।
Spectrum gave me the sense of responsibility, friends, family, and respect.
My message will be like if you work for any department next year, याद रखना उससे पहले you work for Spectrum. Like there is no departmentalization in Spectrum as such, but you have to work for Spectrum, and the dedication you show is what you receive in the end. So yeah, just work for Spectrum pehle and then the departments. That's it. And enjoy.
Yeah, that is very important. You should enjoy, guys. Enjoy.
it's not about always work in an event, that you can't just work. You have to have some fun, bond, create a bond, which is very important. Fest is for to create a bond. So create a family actually. Have a family, good, work with them. Then you won't feel that work as a work. You'll have that enjoyment. So take it as a fun, not as a work. So yeah, have fun.
वन वर्ड में बोलो तो दिल से स्पेक्ट्रम ही बोल सकते हैं, बट उसके अलावा स्पेक्ट्रम एक ऐसा जगह है जहाँ तुम खुद को जान सकते हो या खुद को एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हो. बहुत सारे अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिलते हैं जानने के लिए कि अपन पर्सनली क्या कर सकते हैं, अपने स्ट्रेंथ्स क्या है, अपने वीकनेस क्या है. उसके अलावा और कोई बेटर टर्म नहीं होगा कि स्पेक्ट्रम को बोले कि स्पेक्ट्रम एसेज क्या है. स्पेक्ट्रम दिल से स्पेक्ट्रम ही है.
वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट डिफ़िकल्टीज. जब हम लोग मैम के पास गए थे, देयर आर वॉलेंटियर का लिस्ट. जब भी हम लोग के पास प्रिपेयर नहीं था तब, that is the most critical situation where we do not have the proper count of volunteers. Then another thing is in F&B there was जब भी कैटरर्स लेट आता था, जब भी हम लोग का खाना पूरा लेट हो जाता था, तभी वॉलेंटियर्स पे बहुत प्रेशर आता था. उनको इवेंट्स में जाना होता था, इसके वजह से उनको बहुत लेट होता था, फिर इवेंट लेट चालू होते थे.
Yes, Spectrum definitely did change my personality in many ways. I think I have become a different person than who I was 3 years ago, and I think it taught me to make new friends, to connect to people, and these 3 years will be the best memories of my life, which I'll keep forever.
Yes, of course it did. I still remember me then in my JC, and now I'm leading a department. It boosted my confidence, it improved my communication skills, and of course made me a better person which I am today. And it taught me to tackle with extreme situations at basic levels.
Yes, Spectrum teach me a lot in the Spectrum days and working days. But at the beginning of Spectrum, like 2015, we बहुत कुछ सीखा है सीनियर से, और उससे बहुत पर्सनालिटी में, एक बोलते हैं एटीट्यूड में, बहुत चेंजेस आया, और वो चेंजेस आना ज़रूरी था जो स्पेक्ट्रम ने सिखाया हम लोग. स्पेक्ट्रम 16 में हम लोग ग्राउंड इवेंट हो जाता था, सीनियर्स के साथ हम लोग इतना मज़ा मस्ती किया कि तो मेमोरी एक बोल नहीं सकते. फिर डीजे नाइट में जो सेंटर के इधर खड़ा होकर जो फील मिलता है, वो तो आज तक हम लोग नहीं भूल सकते. बड़े से बड़ा मतलब पत्थर दिल वाला भी रो सकते हैं वो टाइम पे, ऐसा वाला सीन क्रिएट होता है.
Spectrum itself is my best memory, but to be specific, the day I was standing in the center for DJ night and people were surrounded around me, I felt that we have achieved what we were going to decide it.
और बेस्ट मेमोरी बोल तो ये टाइम पे रणभूमि कंप्लीट किया, फाइनल हुआ, जो लास्ट ईयर हुआ नहीं था.
Okay, so being selected as a joint secretary, my goals and objectives were precisely to maintain peace amongst the volunteers and the students and conduct the cultural events properly. So that went on like very well. Like I personally did not actually want much of departmentalization among the students. Like we never expected students to turn out to be like, I am from this particular department or that particular department. They wanted to be like, all of us wanted them to be standing united, like the whole team as Spectrum, and like not as any particular department.
Spectrum has a great impact on me. I'll always cherish all the memories throughout the 3 years. It has given me a very positive energy to move towards life. We as a core team has learnt a lot of lessons, and yeah, Spectrum will be a most important part of my life.
I think Spectrum has always been very close to my heart, as I've worked for it for like in 5 years, and Spectrum is something which is really very, very important to us, and it's like my knight in shining armor. That's it.
ये लिख क्या है ये?
We are.
3.
Memories of a broken time, echoes in the universe.